It's been wonderful. We've had 50, 60 members from our class, and it's good to review the old times, think about what happened while we were in school here, and it's also beautiful to see the new campus, everything that's been done here.
It's been great to reconnect with friends on a different level than when we were students. We find that we have commonality, but yet we've had interesting careers that we can share with one another and learn something new at this point in our life.
The personal care by the faculty and staff was truly incredible. It's almost like everyone wanted to talk to each of us that was here. It was wonderful being given guided tours of the campus, which has changed tremendously since I was here and graduated.
Wonderful. The weather's wonderful. The people are wonderful. Well, they always were. 50 years ago they were wonderful, and they're still the same.
It's great to catch up with old fraternity brothers, old friends, share some war stories, and catch up on their lives and their kids and grandkids, and just a great time.
It's a great time of reminiscing and having a lot of fun with your old fraternity brothers and classmates from the great old class of 1961.
Definitely take advantage of the opportunity. It's well worth your time and effort, and it's been very well organized, and it's been relaxing but yet invigorating to learn something new and what's going on here at the college, as well as what we can share with one another.
Come, enjoy. I tell you, it's run very efficiently.
Well, it's been great. You know, the rooms are comfortable. These dorms are obviously nothing like where we lived when we were here, so they're very comfortable.
The hospitality is immaculate. We've been catered to and well fed.
I came in from Hershey, Pennsylvania. That's a long drive, but it was definitely worth it, and I look forward to coming back for my 50th year reunion. The food was much better than when I was here for Saga.
In fact, it's wearing me out. I had to take a nap today and yesterday just to keep up with the pace of activities. It's a lot of fun.